Good morning students. Let's start our study with chapter number 22, that is growth and personality development. So students, what is growth? Growth is one of the characteristic of living thing which shows increase in weight and height. All living things eat and grow physically. Okay. So all living things grow right from birth to adulthood. A baby grows into adult man. It gains height and weight because the first 18 years are the growing years for all boys and girls. Small baby cannot do anything for themselves. If they need something, they can only cry and beat about their legs and arms. But soon they begin to get control over some of their movements and develop coordination between different movements. For example, they learn to turn their head and look at something they choose. If they recognize someone, they smile. They learn to grab and hold things and then to take them towards their mouth. As they learn to control and coordinate their movements on their own, they begin to do several other tasks. Here is a picture showing how baby grows into adult woman. Similar to boys, they grow and keep on learning new skill. During growth, their height and weight increases. Their strength and skill also increases. So these are the progressive changes seen in both boys and girls. Skill and efficiency. Skill. Achieving control on one's movement to do something new is said to be learning a skill. Efficiency means doing newly learned tasks more easily and without making mistakes. Okay, let's see how the skill develops in baby. As a baby learns various skills, the baby and everybody is happy. So, normally the parents, they started praising baby. Whatever activity she is doing continuously, yes, the parents, they feel happy and they start praising the baby. The baby like those praising, right? She knows what the other is saying to do. If we say mama, immediately she will carefully look at the lips of the parents and then she would start speaking. Mama, she would start saying. So when we listen to such word, we feel very happy. The baby is talking something to us. She told mama. So what do? Naturally we are going to phrase her. Okay, so when we phrase her, baby thinks that everybody likes it. So what the baby will do? She will repeat that thing again and again. Mama, mama. So baby learn new things with practice. When she practice the same thing again and again, it develop skill in the baby. Okay, समझ में आया? कोई भी नई चीज सीखने के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है? हमें प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ती है. और जब छोटी बच्ची बार बार एक ही चीज रिपीट करती है तो ऑटोमेटिकली उसमें क्या होता है? स्किल डेवलप हो जाता है. ओके, सो इट इज नॉट ओनली विद द स्पीकिंग बट इट इज विथ वॉकिंग, टॉकिंग, होल्डिंग थिंग्स and different things. Okay, next, thus she gets lot practice with those skill and her strength also built up. Slowly she began to do newly learned task and more easily. So whatever new learned task is there, वो easily करने लग जाती है. So that is the efficiency. Okay, that is her efficiency is increasing. Every day we keep learning. That makes it easy to learn new skills. For example, once the child is able to hold things, she can learn to throw ball. बराबर? How to hold the ball? She will hold it and next she will learn to throw it. कि इस बॉल को कैसे फेंकना है? Efficiency come through practice. By doing same thing again and again, a baby practices with his or her skill and also develop strength. When a baby does newly learned task without any mistake, then it shows her efficiency has increased. Okay, and with the primary skills, it develop new skill. Yes, so it shows development in the baby. Okay, and here different activities are given like running, walking, hopping on one leg, catching a ball. So it could be done by baby only by means of practice. That is, efficiency come only by means of practice. Our daily routine like eating, washing, bathing, dressing ourselves could be done easily because you perform activity every day. So it shows that you have become efficient in these activities. Let's see what is development. Next topic is development. So student, as we grow, we keep on learning new things. Our height and weight increases. With the age, strength increases. We keep on learning new skill. Yes, and in the same way, every individual make progress, and this is only the development. Yes, you can see the progress now. How was the person when he was a child and how he is now? पहला कैसे था और अब कैसे है? तो डेवलपमेंट इज सीन. ओके, नेक्स्ट, एनिमल लर्न फ्रॉम देयर मदर. Monkey and its young one. A lion family. Young one of lion. What are the cubs doing in the picture? It shows, that is, they may be playing or fighting for the prey. Animals learn from their mother the skills of obtaining their food, protecting themselves from sun and rain and from their enemies. After that, they begin to live independently. How do the babies develop different skills? And answer is, they learn it from the teaching of their mother. It shows their efficiency develop in different tasks. So students, we know that young one of a cow, lion, etc. they learn different skill from their mother. Yes, obtaining food, then protecting themselves from sun, rain, wind, etc. and protecting themselves from enemies also. Yes, so you have seen that animal learn very less number of skills, but in comparison, human being keep on learning. That is, they go on learning new skills throughout the life. We must all learn to take responsibility for doing our personal task ourselves. So, we learn that we grow in height and weight right from birth till we reach adulthood. A newborn baby cannot do anything for itself. We learn many skills from our parents, teachers, and others.